Hey there, y'all. Disney D Prince here today with another blind unboxing. Today we have the Zuru 5 Surprise Mini Fashion. This is one of the brand new ones. This has got 40 plus real fashion fabric bags and accessories to collect, made from certified recycled plastic. This is the packaging. Let me give you guys a little bit closer. They are in a white ball, so they're a little easier to find than some of the other ones. These do retail for $9.99. I was hoping to get more, but these have been really hard to come by so far, though Target is getting their supplies in now. A bit of their supply chain is fixing up, but they only had one left in the big display when I got there, so people got there before me. So we'll see which one we get. None of the bags really look bad from what I've seen on Instagram, but you know, we're always hoping for the nice ones, right? There's one that looks like a Louis Vuitton bag. There are ones that look like Dooney and Burke bags. And there are some that look like Birkins, but not really like Birkins. But they are very cool. The quality is probably going to be pretty similar to what we're used to from the Zuru 5 supplies, which is actually pretty good, especially for miniatures. They're not quite doll scale usually, but they are pretty close to 1/6 scale most of the time. Like we looked at we looked at the Toy Surprise, and they're in scale for Kelly dolls. Okay, so unlike the other 5 Surprise, this does not fold out. This is just a solid orb, like this. So let's see what we got. So everything's in bags up here. So let me show you guys what we can get. So this is what the collector's guide looks like. It looks like a little purse. There are the bags that you can get. 3 rare bags. And then 9 other bags. Well, actually 2 rare bags and then like the little Tiffany blue box. So very cool. And then 5 surprises inside. And it's got some advertisements for the other ones. There are little pets that are possible to come in here. I'm really hoping I didn't get a Chihuahua just because they're kind of horrible. But let's do this smaller bag. So I guess they're not individually bagged. They're just kind of bagged up like this. So we did get this little sticker, which might mean that's the bag we got. And we got a cute little perfume bottle, which already ran away from me. Dang it. Cute pair of sunglasses that are not quite doll size, I don't think, but they are pretty close. We did get a lip liner tube that actually has a little lip liner in there, which is a little big for doll scale, but is still very cute nonetheless. I am trying to find that thing that fell, but most of it is clear, and so it is kind of hard to find right at the second. I'm gonna have to run my finger over it, because of course it's on carpet. But it's very cute. Kind of a fun little surprise to find in each of those. And that is 4 of our surprises. So let's just go ahead and take a look at which bag we got in here. It might be a different bag. It might be the same bag. Oh, it's a different bag. Okay, so we did get this bag right here, which is cute. It is made out of pleather. And this is kind of perfect Barbie scale, really. Like, look at that compared to them. That is a very usable bag for Barbie. So, a very cool little little setup for those. But okay, unfortunately I cannot seem to find that in my carpet right this minute, which means it may have fallen into my trash bag. So I'm gonna have to look for that here in a minute. But it is a very cool little 5 surprise. So it's not nearly as fun to really unbox as the other ones, because you don't get to really like look for all 5 things. You kind of just dump your bag out. And one of the surprises is a sticker, which I always think is kind of like a cheapo move when toy companies do that, because that's not really a surprise, but you know, it's all right. Especially for 10 bucks, it's pretty good quality. Like, those are very good. Those are very good quality miniatures. So if you can find them, I say get them. These are probably going to sell out relatively quickly compared to some of the others, just because of these purses being so high quality. But you never know what you're going to find. These can be reused as little like toppers for things. You can poke holes in them and make planters for miniatures if you wanted to do that. So lots of cool things. I am a little miffed that I can't seem to find that perfume bottle, but I will try to make sure that it makes it up on Instagram. Let me show you guys the size of these sunglasses real quick. Here is a regular size Barbie. So these are perfect size sunglasses for Barbie. They will fit, they will stay on, they will go into the hair, they go to the right point on the ears. I would argue these are better sunglasses than what Barbie actually produces. I think there are a couple of different types of sunglasses. I'm not quite sure. It doesn't list all the other extras. But that little perfume bottle right there is the one that we lost into the abyss. So yeah, just the one type of sunglasses, I guess. And it's got a bunch of different makeup accessories that you can get. So it is going to be worth it to try and collect them all, I think, because it's really just high quality miniatures for each of these. Let me show you guys the size of these lip gloss tubes in relation to the hands. They are a little big, but the top is the right size for them to hold in their hand. And then, of course, all of it can go inside the bag because they are not sealed up. So you can just pop that right in there, and bada boom. And then here's the sticker. This is another one of the available purses that's supposed to kind of look like a Birkin bag. But again, this is just a sticker. So I'm not real thrilled about that. So if you guys have any questions on these, let me know. I am going to try to include this in one of my styling videos to show you guys how I would style this with a doll. So stay tuned for that, because I do have a rather large styling video coming up here in just a few minutes. So stay tuned, y'all. This has been Disney D Prince. As always, if you enjoyed it, leave me a like. If you have questions, leave them in the comments, and follow along for more fun unboxings. Bye, y'all. Be good.